Hello everyone. Today we will start from the next half of Chapter 1 Computer System. Once again we will go through the types of computers on the basis of application.
On the basis of how they work, computers are classified into three types: analog, digital, and hybrid computers. Analog computers are those that work with natural phenomena and physical values and are used for a specific purpose. Example: speedometers in cars, wristwatch. Let's learn the features of analog computers. Analog computers perform particular tasks. No multitasking is supported. Watches shows us time. Richter scale is used to measure intensity of earthquake, etc. Works on continuous data and gives continuous output. Watch continuously gives output as time. Analog computers work on real time and has no storage capacity. Outputs from analog computers are in the form of graphs, signals, movements, etc. Digital computers are those computers that work on the value of digits, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off and 1 means on. Most of the electronic systems are digital computers. These computers are very popular for actual computer works like report preparation, documentation, billing, etc. The best common example is our desktop personal computer. Features of digital computers: they work on discrete or discontinuous data. They are applicable for all general purpose works like documentation, billing, etc. These computers are based on digits 0 and 1. They are faster than analog and has high storage capacity. These computers are highly accurate and reliable. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are those computers that has a combination of both analog and digital systems and works on both continuous and discrete data. These computers transfer the data from analog to digital and vice versa. Mostly used in the system of ICU for hospitals, jet planes, and other data analysis terminals. Features of a hybrid computer: firstly, it is an expensive and complex system. It is designed for a special purpose and is not versatile. It works with both discrete and continuous value. And though these computers are a combination of both analog and digital systems, but these computers have limited storage.
Now the next topic is types of computers on the basis of size.
Classification of computers: microcomputers, mainframe computers, mini-computers, supercomputers. Some more. Microprocessor chips are used in many devices such as iPods, DVDs, headphones, etc. First, microcomputers. Microcomputers came into picture as computers having single-chip microprocessors. They are the most common computers being used for domestic, commercial purposes nowadays. They also include solutions like desktop computers, game consoles, tablet computers, and smartphones, among others. They are basically portable and occupy very less space. Main features: the CPU is a single chip known as the microprocessor. These are single-user computers. They are mainly used in offices and homes. They are the least expensive. Generally, they run on rechargeable batteries, except desktop computers. Desktop, laptop, notebook, palm top, tablet, smartphone. Examples: desktop computer, a personal or micro mini computer sufficient to fit a desk. Laptop computer, a portable computer complete with an integrated screen and keyboard. It is generally smaller in size than a desktop computer and larger than a notebook computer. Palm-top computer, digital diary, notebook, PDAs. A hand-sized computer. Palm-tops have no keyboard, but the screen serves both as an input and output device. Smartphones, smartbooks and PDAs, personal digital assistants. are small handheld computers with limited hardware. Programmable calculator are small handhelds but specialized on mathematical work. Game console are fixed computers specialized for entertainment purposes. Embedded computer, like in-car computers, car putters built into a car for entertainment or navigation, washing machines, watches, ATM machines, automatic teller machine, and the likes. Second, mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are very large and expensive computers capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. In the hierarchy that starts with a simple microprocessor in watches, for example, at the bottom and moves to supercomputers at the top. Mainframes are just below supercomputers. In some ways, mainframes are more powerful than supercomputers because they support more simultaneous programs. But supercomputers can execute a single program faster than a mainframe. Examples: VAX 8842, CDC 6600, IBM 4381. Third, mini-computers. A mini-computer is a mid-sized computer. In size and power, mini-computers lie between workstations and mainframes. In the past decade, the distinction between large mini-computers and small mainframes has blurred. However, as has the distinction between small mini-computers and workstations. But in general, a mini-computer is a multiprocessing system capable of supporting from 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. Examples: PDP-11, VAS-PARC, Power, and Itanium-based systems from Sun Microsystems, IBM, and Hewlett-Packard. 4. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the most powerful of all computers. The fastest and most powerful type of computers, supercomputers, are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. For example, weather forecasting requires a supercomputer. Other uses of supercomputers include animated graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, nuclear energy research and petroleum exploration, etc. The chief difference between a supercomputer and a mainframe is that a supercomputer channels all its power into executing a few programs as fast as possible, whereas a mainframe uses its power to execute many programs concurrently. Examples: Cray XTS HE, India's Param, IBM Blue Gene PK computer. Inventor. In 1958, Seymour Cray built the first completely transistorized supercomputer for the Control Data Corporation.
Let's start with the definition of an embedded system. An embedded system is a computing system that is designed to serve a dedicated purpose. Mostly, it will be a subsystem to perform a dedicated function within a larger system. For example, a GPS navigator or an anti-lock braking system within a vehicle. Unlike a desktop computers, which can be programmed to do any general purpose tasks like computing, data processing, or can be used as a multimedia device or a network server. An embedded system is rather simplified and can perform highly focused and specific tasks. Let's say, for example, a digital camera, which is highly focused to capture images and to perform some related operations. An embedded system ranges from a very low-end device like a calculator or a sensor to a very high-end device like robots or a missile guiding system. So friends, based on this explanation, can you guess your cell phone comes under which category? Whether it is a general purpose computer or an embedded system. irrespective of what features nowadays a mobile phone offers. But still, the core of the system is built for a communication device. So means your cell phone comes under embedded system category. And what do you think about a tablet? Whether it is a general purpose computer or an embedded system? You can give your opinion and discuss it in the comment section. An embedded system consists of both hardware as well as software. So when chips are built into the system and software is loaded on that for a particular functionality, it becomes an embedded system.
Okay, students, only this much for today. Now the chapter is over. Thank you.